Hi, welcome back to Strands YouTube channel. Today we want to talk about the cruise light strobe controller and the endless features that comes with it. If you want the basics of the product, then just check the previous video in the description below. Like I said, the strobe controller has many good features, endless possibilities for the application, and you can use it on almost any vehicle. So to give you some inspiration, we have some pictures where we have some different setups. We chose to put numbers on the lights to which channel they are connected to make it easier to follow. So let's go. The pictures are simulations on our ambassadors' vehicles. And for the first one here, we go from the left to the right, and we chose to put almost every position light on the front into the setup. So for this setup you only need one strobe controller because the maximum consumption for each channel is 30 watts. So you have no problem at all connecting all these lights with one controller. So for this second setup we use the side markers connected from the front to the back. You can of course connect the left side and the right side to the same strobe controller. So for this third setup we use the position lights on the side steps for channel 1, side steps on the driving side. Passenger side is channel 6. And we can use the roof bar driving lights and the front bar driving lights for the rest of the channels. The fourth setup, we use the position light all the time, and we connect the indicators to the strobe controller instead. Then you get another cool feel of this. So this fifth setup, same vehicle, different setup, to show you that it's not just position lights that's usable here. So here we have work lights that consumes less than 30 watts. Because as said before, 30 watt is the maximum usage for each channel. In these pictures we only used 1 or 2 patterns, but remember there's 12 patterns for this strobe controller. Now we will show a video with all the different patterns. Hope this boosts your creativity. Bye!